Shane from WTI. Have your lights go from this to this with the WiZ Connected Color Smart Wi-Fi light bulb. So what's so great about this light bulb is that it is connected to an app, and you can really set the light to whatever mood that you're in. Say it's cold and rainy outside and you want to feel a little bit more cozy on the inside, you can find whatever cozy setting, and I personally like the fireplace setting, and voila, it's instantly more cozy. What I also love about the light bulb and the app is that you really can control the lighting. Let's say you want to make it more warm or more cool, you can make it more dim, more bright. There is a night light, there is a bedtime lighting, and a wake up light that you can set for it to go off. What I personally love is the scenes. You can take a picture of the exact scene that you want, whatever light setting that you set, go to the scenes part of the app, press play, and voila, your customized lighting. And there is also a vacation mode that the lights will go on and off at whatever time that you set. And this is voice activated, so this will connect to a lot of smart devices, and it is listed in the app. So I do love that this app and the light will just set the mood in my living room, and it makes it more enjoying. I can set the lights to whatever light that I want it, and that's my point of view.